Hi everybody, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Things have been a little crazy for some time here with us in the world and I'm back on the game of uploading videos, so thank you for joining me. I have a serious backlog of subscription boxes, like we're talking months. We have 3 months going on with BoxyCharm, so I have a lot to catch up on. So I don't even know what month this is, to be honest. So I have to look it up on the website, and then things have changed. They used to include a little card in the box that told you what the products were, how much they were. Now everything's been converted online. So I will have the website pulled up so I can take a look at the items, find out what month it is. We can start there and then let you know how much the grand total is, because I love to see how much everything adds up to. So as a reminder, BoxyCharm is not sponsored. I do not get a kickback. I am paying for this out of my own pocket and my own decision to do so. So my opinions are my own. The box is $24.99 a month, and you're supposed to get $100 to $150 worth of product every month out of it. So I have foundation and concealer on and some lip gloss, and that's it, because I specifically chose the makeup. I customized the box so I could hopefully get more makeup than anything else. So I'm hoping I'll get like some products with eyeshadow, bronzer, blush, maybe some highlighter. That way I can try the review for you on the spot and we can see how it works. So she is sealed. I have not opened her. I don't know what month she is. So let's check it out. I got the handy dandy scissors. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. You could, okay, well, that doesn't really help if you see that.
Hi everybody, just cutting in for a moment. I wanted to let everybody out there know that today is Denise's birthday. 7/31, which is today, Friday, is her birthday. And I would like everybody down in the comments to wish her a happy birthday. And I also wanted to send her this message and tell her that she is the love of my life, the mother of my fur child Chopper, and the best thing that has ever happened to me. If I can talk. First time being on camera, a little nervous. So, you're my whole world. I want you to know that. I love you with my everything, and happy birthday. Back to your regularly scheduled programming.
Here we are. You're seeing it first before me. Let's take a look. Okay, so first off, I'm not really seeing any makeup, so you might just have to deal with me like this for the video. Sorry. Let's start by going to the website and guessing what month this might be. This looks like a lot of facial products. I don't see, like I said, a lot of makeup. Okay, I figured it out. This is June, so this is like present, because we're at the end of June, like the very end. We're going into July, so that's how far behind I am, and I don't even know what month I'm opening. So let's start with this. Now this is, let me hold those. It's a Kylie item. I do not own anything by the Kardashians. You can hate me and roast me in the comments below, but I am not a Kardashian fan. So this is Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foaming Face Wash. Oh my gosh, I've totally seen people review this in different YouTube videos. My favorite, of course, was, I believe it was Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star reviewing it, and Shane literally put like 400 pumps into it. It was ridiculous. So pink packaging. I think that's like her signature thing. Okay. Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. So it's really hard to read the back, but just says helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. Apply to wet skin. You know how to use it. I'm not going to read it. So it's foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil, packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. Okay, so I'm just going to spray it on my hand because I'm curious if there's a smell. It just smells clean. That's the only way I can describe it. It smells clean. It doesn't have a harsh chemical smell or anything like that. It just smells clean. So I can get behind that. I have hypersensitive skin, so I use I use Beauty Counter for like my moisturizer. I use it for my under eyes. I use it for my face wash, everything, because it doesn't have any harsh chemicals or things like that in it. It is like multi-level marketing, so I have to buy it from a representative, but I swear by it. But I would like to give this a try and see how it goes for my skin, because I'm scared usually to try something new, and especially this being a fad product. I just wonder. So this retails for $24 is what it looks like. So I'm gonna put it back in the packaging. I'm not taking my makeup off, so sorry, I'm not trying it on this video. Maybe I'll leave it in the comments below when I do try it. Okay, the next product up is First Aid Beauty, which I am a fan of First Aid Beauty. Bump Eraser Body Scrub. Oh, it says safe for sensitive skin. I like that already. It's an exfoliant corporal. I don't know. Can you read that? Corporal? I don't know. But it says contains alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, that may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun and the possibility of sunburn. Ooh, use a sunscreen and limit sun exposure while using this product and for a few weeks afterwards. Oh, that's interesting. Because I am getting the most sun that I've ever got. I don't know if you can see my hands, the color. I'm not pasty white. My face is, because I put, SPF 4000 on it. But I am the darkest I have been in like 20 years. And that's not saying much, because I am Casper the Friendly Ghost. So yes, but I'll take it. So I'm interested in this. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, there's a safety seal. Good. I like safety seals. Oh God. I seriously have butterfingers, you guys. All right, I'm going to put this on my hand. I know you're supposed to apply it to wet skin first, I think. Yeah, apply it to wet skin. I mean, I wonder if you could just use it without. I mean, I'm peeling right here from getting burnt on my hands, so I wonder how it would work. Let me just rub it into the top of my hand. First impression, it feels like I'm on a beach. It feels like sand. Legit. Let me scrub my dead skin off that I burnt. It doesn't really, it smells like sunscreen and self-tanner. That's exactly what it smells like to me. I don't really have anything to wipe it off with. I should probably wash my hands after this. Well, okay, so I did not use it with wet skin. I used it on dry skin. My hand feels super soft. And then right here, I had a patch of skin because I was legit peeling. I somehow managed to sunburn the top of my hand, only in that spot. But it took off the dead skin and my hand feels super soft. I am impressed. I wonder how this would work like, look, guys, look at that tan line from my watch. Come on. Watch. Yeah, that's tan for me. But my hands feel super soft. Okay, I'm impressed. I will definitely give this a try in the shower. So not, makeup wise, let's see how much this retails for. Okay, so this First Aid Beauty Scrub retails for $18. So we've got that. Next up, we have QMS Medi Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector. Lip serum. So what is this? So I'm very interested. I do wear lip liner when I wear a lip. So I'm curious about this because, there's been plenty of time. Stop. This says that this QMS Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector is $192.98. You have got to be shitting me. This thing better be like a miracle worker. How the hell is it that expensive? So it says, it does give me some information. High performance serum exclusively formulated to reduce fine lines and wrinkles in the lip area. Okay, so not what I thought it was even to begin with. I thought it was like, if you went janky on your lip line, it helped correct it. No, this is to reduce fine lines and wrinkles in the lip area. So when you see people with those lines, Okay. Formulated exclusively for the upper lip area, line corrector targets fine line and wrinkles. This high-performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. Okay, well, I don't have anything on besides lip gloss. So it's a twist top, and it pops open. So I'm going to put a little... Hello? Hello? Nothing's coming out. Okay, here we go. I don't want to use that much because it's $192, so I got that. It doesn't really have a smell. It's very, very liquidy. You see, very liquidy. I'm just going to put it on my lips then. I can't believe that's that much money. I mean, it says to hydrate and plump lips, so. Ooh, I got a taste of it by accident. Ugh. I don't feel any tingling or anything for plumping. So I think this is a product that I should, okay, let's try how to use. Okay. Apply to cleansed upper lip area and lip contour in the morning and evening. For best results, use regularly and consistently. For added improvements, follow a day collagen or night collagen. So this is, again, a product I would use without makeup on. So yeah, you guys are just dealing with me like this for this video. Sorry. Okay, so I've been getting a lot of body products lately. I'm interested about that. Okay, next we have Pure Lease. I've heard of this brand. This is Perfect Glow BB Cream, SPF 30, oil-free Can I talk? Oil-free moisturizing, natural-looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish for all skin types, even sensitive. A multitasking beauty balm that is a foundation, antioxidant moisturizer, and SPF 30 in 1, featuring our exclusive Asian herb extracts complex, goji and hawthorn berry, brightens skin, while jasmine improves skin texture and retains moisture to create a gorgeous and glowing complexion. Okay, for normal or dry skin types, wear over Pure Lease moisturizers. $35. I'm so glad they have a how to use area, because people like me who are used to doing the same things over and over and not trying stuff new, we need a little help. The only thing I'm concerned with is how do they know my color? I'm pasty. Okay, let's put this on. Okay, let's blend it in. Okay, it blended into my hand perfectly. However, it is sheer, if you can see that. Look at that sheer. Just sheer. If this is supposed to be... Oh, okay. Complexion perfect for a gorgeous matte meets dewy finish. The multitasking beauty balm glides on like a tinted moisturizer. Okay. With all the age-defying coverage sunscreen benefits of a foundation and BB cream. Okay, I don't know why. I think what's throwing me off is foundation, because it is tinted. It does have color to it. But this is not foundation. Like, it's not covering. It's, I guess you just wear after you put on your moisturizer. So it did blend in surprisingly very well to my skin. It doesn't have, you know what I would be concerned about with sunscreen is having that like rank sunscreen smell where it's just like wafting into your nostrils. It doesn't have that. It really has a very light, delicate smell. So that will be an interesting one to try. And the color it says on the back is light medium. So I must have put that I'm pale in there. I don't know. Okay, now this is Artist Couture. And this is Diamond Glow Powder. Finally, some makeup. I haven't had any in these boxes. Okay, so I don't know this brand. Let's look her up and see. It's small, 4.5 grams. So net weight is 0.16 ounces. So she's small. So I like the box. It looks like marble. It's cute. Okay. Artist Couture. The color is Illuminati Diamond Glow Powder. Okay, so does that turn and open? Okay. So it's got the little turny thing. I don't know what it's called. Sorry. But you turn it and it opens either full force or a little bit, but it looks like there's a, so then it has the little openings for some to pour out. And it's like a goldish brownish color, I would say. It's pretty looking. So this Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder is retail for $27. So I do have my handy dandy Jeffree Star X Morphe brushes here. And I think this is the one but I am not using that. I am using my fan brush from Morphe. I don't even know what I'm doing. So I don't have anything else on. So I have my mirror over here. Let me bring it closer. And I'm just going to put some of this on because I'm curious what it looks like. I'm not usually a fan of loose powder because I feel like it's everywhere. Let's talk about this. Okay. There's some shine to it. Can you guys see it? And I like to highlight up here as well. Since I don't have anything else on, I'm not going to go too crazy in it with like my nose or lips because of the fact that I don't have any bronzer or blush on. So I'm just going to tap a little into the lid. And I love a good highlight. I like to blind. That's why I use Jeffree Star products because it's super bright. But this is not the same, but I would say not bad. Like I bought some Too Faced. Oh, I hate to say it. I bought the little gem and it does not shine. But yeah, look at this glow. It's pretty. I like it. I will keep this for sure and use it. Not bad. Okay. I'm going to put my glasses back on so I can see. Yeah, that's pretty. I like it. Okay. And that is it for the June box. So let's whip out the handy dandy calculator and put our totals together so I can give you the grand total of everything. And yes, I do use my phone because I cannot add. And I cannot do simple math. I have lots of degrees, but I can't do simple math. And it is slithering on my pop socket, of course. All right, so the Diamond Glow powder that I just tried that you can see just blinding, that was $27. And then we got the Kylie, where is she? The Kylie Foaming Face Wash for $24. And then we have... See, like every box is a little different, so you got to kind of scroll to get through everything. So we've got the Bump Eraser Body Scrub, which I'm already a fan of because it took off my peeling skin from where I sunburnt my hand. And then we have the Pure Elise BB Cream, and that's $35. And then we have this thing that is just off the Richter, the QMS Medi Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector. That's like a product I need to try over time for sure. That's that big Mamma Jamma that's $192.98, which is pretty fucking ridiculous. Oh, please bleep that out. All right, so June's Boxy month comes out to $296.98. That is well over my $24.99 price point that I have done. So not bad. Thank you, BoxyCharm. I look forward to trying all these products. It's something new. Brands I have heard of, some I haven't heard of. So I look forward to giving this a try. And I'll try Kylie Skin and hope my skin doesn't break out. You never know, because when you have super sensitive skin, it just does what it wants. So if you're not following me on Facebook and Instagram, please make sure you do because I have a huge giveaway that I'm looking to build my channel up to 1,000 subscribers, or I'm going to run it for about 8 weeks. So look out for that video. You want to make sure that you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell so you can be alerted every time I upload a new video. To kick off the giveaway, I also have another giveaway where I am giving you a $10 Amazon gift card. And so the code is somewhere in the video. It could be in the beginning, could be in the middle, could be in the end. So you have to watch the video. Once you run into that code, take your fingers, type it into Amazon. Whoever gets the code first gets the $10 gift card. So help me grow Wonderland Boutique's channel. I greatly appreciate your time and stopping by and seeing my thoughts. It's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.